Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Does it feel like no matter how hard you work, you're barely making progress toward your dreams? Imagine if your paycheck wasn't just money to spend, but the foundation for a life of freedom and wealth. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your paycheck into lasting wealth, step by step. Stick around, because this guide could change your life. Create a financial base. The first step to building wealth is creating a strong financial base. Before you think about investing or splurging, you need to protect yourself from financial emergencies. Start by saving $2,000 as fast as you can. This isn't your full emergency fund, it's your starter fund, a financial cushion that keeps you out of trouble when unexpected expenses hit. Once that's in place, focus on saving $22,000. Why this number? It's enough to cover most emergencies and give you peace of mind. Next, tackle high-interest debt like credit cards. These debts are wealth killers. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you lose forever. Make paying off these debts a priority. Lead your money with a plan. Once you have your financial base, it's time to lead your money instead of letting it lead you. This means creating a system that prioritizes your goals. I recommend the 7-5-1-5-1-0 rule. Here's how it works. Spend no more than 75% of your income on essentials and discretionary expenses. Invest 15% into assets that grow your money, like index funds, real estate, or even starting your own business. And save 10% for those unexpected moments life throws at you. The key is to treat your investments and savings like bills you must pay. By paying yourself first, you're setting the stage for long-term wealth. Live interest-free. Let me be clear. Financing non-essential items is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Don't borrow money to buy things that won't make you money. Here's a rule to live by. If you can't buy 5 of them, you can't afford one. That means if you're eyeing a $1,000 phone, make sure you have $5,000 in disposable income before you buy it. This mindset forces you to live below your means and focus on growing your wealth. Remember, every dollar you save by not financing unnecessary purchases is a dollar you can invest in your future. Multiply your income. Cutting expenses is essential, but there's a limit to how much you can save. On the other hand, there's no limit to how much you can earn. That's why the next step is to focus on increasing your income. Start by looking for ways to grow in your current job. Can you take on extra responsibilities? Negotiate a raise? Next, consider starting a side hustle or freelance gig. The internet has made it easier than ever to monetize your skills. Every extra dollar you earn can be invested to create more income, turning your paycheck into a snowball of wealth. Be great for family and community. Building wealth isn't just about you. It's about the people you love and the community you're a part of. Wealth gives you the power to take care of your family and give back to causes that matter to you. Once you've established financial stability, protect your assets with the right advisors, whether it's a financial planner, an estate attorney, or a tax expert. And don't forget to give back. Wealth isn't just measured in dollars, it's measured in the impact you make. Shift your mindset toward wealth. Finally, wealth starts in your mind. If you believe wealth is unattainable or that money is evil, you'll never achieve financial freedom. It's time to shift your mindset. Building wealth isn't reserved for the elite. It's a process anyone can follow with discipline and the right strategies. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your financial life transforms. Turning your paycheck into wealth isn't about luck, it's about choices. Save, invest, and multiply your income, and you'll be amazed at what's possible. It's time to take control of your financial future. So, which step will you take first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Together, we can build the life we've always dreamed of.